I'm back with another unboxing video. Ready? It's from the brand Imagi Make, and this is the clay mural. It has different variants, but this is a jungle edition. Inside the box, we got template, 5 canvases, 10 centimeter each, from which one is blank. 9 glass paint tubes, 5 ml each. 12 foam clay pouches of 4 gram each and 6 super light clay pouches of 10 gram each. Then we got some googly eyes and clay tools and an empty pouch for storing clay and instructions. Here the clay has almost dried up. So as I am trying to make shapes, it is just not happening properly. And that is why it's not sticking to the surface. Here I am trying to peel off the template because it's written that it's a peeling template, but it's just not happening. base feels very hard, and yes, it's hard. You can't mold it. But I am going to work with this anyway. Anyhow, I completed this. What if the other clays are also dried up? Would I be able to complete this clay mural? Find out in next part, which is coming tomorrow. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. See you tomorrow.